Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to present Canva presentation without without Wi-Fi connection. So kahit walang Wi-Fi connection, we can present our Canva presentation, most especially ngayong ranking season, which is hindi natin alam kung merong signal ba sa pag-a-assign natin ng school for them. So here you go. First, you have to go to the projects in Canva. Of course, first of all, you have to open your Canva and then go to project. And then piliin mo dyan yung mga project mo that you want to present. And then example for this one. So make sure na naka-on yung Wi-Fi. And then choose the presentation that you want to present offline. Just click the three dots and then enable offline presenting. So let's see if mapapresent pa siya without the Wi-Fi. So from here, let's enable the Wi-Fi connection. So there you go. Hindi na naka-on ang Wi-Fi natin, and then let's try to present our presentation. Let's start to present it now. So as you can see, hindi siya nakakonect sa Wi-Fi ngayon. And then there you go. We can present our Wi-Fi connection. Well, that's it. Hope it helps.